Meaning of grainy.
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 Grainy. Grainy is an adjective that refers to a texture that is characterized by small, visible particles or grains, often resembling the surface of sandpaper or coarse sand. When an image is described as grainy, it means that the picture displays a noticeable texture caused by visual noise, which appears as tiny specks or dots that can degrade the image quality. This term is commonly used in photography and video production to describe the lack of clarity or sharpness in a picture due to the presence of these grainy particles.